Hello friends, we have completed 12th chapter of English grammar. Now let's move to the 13th chapter of grammar, prepositions. And the name itself suggests that I am placed before noun or pronoun. Preposition, my position is pre. So that is, it is used before pronoun or noun. That is called pronoun. And it shows relation between noun. Now let's see noun or pronoun. Let's see. Read these sentences. The flowers are in the vase. So this is vase is noun and it is placed before vase. That's why it's called preposition, because its position is before noun. Despite the bad weather, the boys played football. Despite is the preposition and bad weather, it is placed before bad weather. Bad adjective, weather, noun. So it is placed before noun, pronoun. So what is preposition? We know that a preposition is a word that shows relationship between noun or pronoun and some other words in this sentence. We also know that there are different kind of prepositions. Third one, Radhika sits beside me. Me is pronoun and it is placed before me, means before pronoun. Now let's move. Now let's see the table. This table shows how to use the different kinds of preposition. Prepositions are in, on, at, over, under, above, below, behind, between, beyond, and so on. So these prepositions are used to indicate place or position. प्लेस और पोजीशन बताने के लिए हम इन, ऑन, एट, ओवर, अंडर, अबोव, बिलो, बिहाइंड, बिटवीन, बियॉन्ड एंड सो मैनी. And its example is my shoes are under the bed. So where is it is? Place. It is under the bed and bed is noun. It is placed before noun. So we know that a preposition is word that shows the relationship between noun or a pronoun and some other words. What is the relationship between that? So in order to indicate place or position, we use in, at, over, this kind of prepositions. Next, second one, at, on, in, for, from, to, since, during, till, until, and so on. So these are. So we have observed that at is here, on is here, in is here, and these prepositions are used in both in order to indicate place or position, and the same can be used in order to indicate time. I have been studying since 5 o'clock. Since it's okay, but look at here, place में और पोजीशन में इन, एट, ऑन वो है, और टाइम सजेस्ट करने में भी एट, ऑन, इन है। समझ में आ रहा है? तो इन, एट, ऑन वो दोनों में प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस एंड प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम, ये दोनों के लिए यूज हो सकता है। सो वी विल हैव टू सी द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस एंड देन आई विल मीट यू at 5 o'clock. So it shows time, isn't it? So that is, it shows time. But at, we have used, I will meet you at your home. I will meet you at your home. It shows place. So in, on, at are used in both position, place and time. Keep in mind. And it creates confusion at times. And third one, direction, indicate direction. Into, out of, through, around, up, down, along, fast, towards, away from, and so many. So it indicates direction. The train passed through the tunnel. तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्शन दिशा सूचन होता है, दिशा का सूचन होता है, इसलिए हम इसे प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ डायरेक्शन कह सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, फॉर पर्पस, हेतु, हेतुलक्षी. ताहिर इज वेटिंग फॉर मोहित. क्यों वेट कर रहा है? पर्पस क्या है? वेटिंग फॉर मोहित. एंड मोहित इज नाउन and for is placed before noun. So preposition means pre, it is placed before pronoun or noun. So this is for purpose. I am waiting here for you. You, pronoun, before pronoun it has been placed. So this is the preposition which indicates purpose, and that's for. Now from indicates source of something, from where it is originated. That is, this tea comes from Assam, from source, where from he has come. That is, we have learned in our chapter cherry tree. The cherry comes from Kashmir Valley. That is. Now by indicates the means by which something is done. I travel by bus. So here by it is the source of something. It indicates source of something. Sorry, by that indicates it is done by something. कोई दूसरे के द्वारा ये किया जाता है. English is taught by me. So by me, it is done by me. It is done by me. Indicates means by which something is done. So what are we travel by train from Mumbai to Kolkata. So by that is, it indicates means by which the something is done. Like as, comparison. Sehwag plays like Sachin Tendulkar. So comparison is that. Ashish is like a brother to me, or he is like sister to me. So here comparison, compared with brother and sister. So that is, it is as, like and as, they are used for comparisons. Now as, to mean the role of, to mean the role of. As your friend, I will always tell you to do right thing. So it is mean in the role of. What's your role here? As a friend, as a true friend, it's my duty to say you the truth. Let it be bitter, but I will tell you the same. And with. So with has many complicated uses, which means something is done. She cuts the vegetables with a knife, not by a knife. because we commit mistakes that at that time we use that I cut the lady's finger by my knife. That's wrong. Which means, which is something is done by, but not it's with. She cut the vegetables with a knife. Second, the manner in which something is done. He worked with enthusiasm. How? In which manner he said? He worked hard with enthusiasm. Which way is working? To indicate that someone is in the company of someone else. Dia is with his sister. So here, these are the three uses. Now, let's see the first exercise of the chapter. Complete these sentences with the correct prepositions. So first has been given. Did his parent live in Rajkot place? In his used here place, preposition before Rajkot, noun. It is placed preposition. Pre means placed before pronoun or noun. Rajkot is noun. I think it's better if you take a paper bag with you, आपके साथ. So it's a very easy, means accompanies. What is with you? What is along with you? That is. The oranges are where? Place. Are in the ball. That is position. Place. That is on dining table. On and in. These are used for place, position or time, but here it is used in position or place. Now, fourth one, all his troubles Ajit still has his. So this is a contrast in divert conditions also. All his troubles Ajit still help his friends in spite of, फिर भी, in Gujarati आम छता. So, in spite of, that is, everybody contributed for Ami's birthday except Vijay. Vijay is now except. के अलावा अजय के और but Vijay, we can use but also there. But can be also used as a before here, before the noun. But except. He was on leave today. He was on leave that day. On leave noun. So this is the preposition. On is placed before noun. Rajesh and Asa are selling tickets for the dance show. For the dance show. Here purpose. Purpose is for dance show. For. It is used for purpose. Rajesh and Asa are selling tickets for. Why? For dance show. And dance show is noun. And before placed, it is placed. I have ordered food from. So, from indicates source. कहाँ से आता है? From where? Source of something. So, I have ordered from the new restaurant near our house. From Kashmir Valley. Cherry comes from. So, here it's source where we bring or we will bring, that is. My brother has always acted like means comparison of friend and mentor. So as and like are used for comparisons, like my friend and my friend and mentor to me. Now let's see B. Choose the correct answers to complete this sentence. Sada couldn't concentrate on her study on her study. She had a lot on her mind. So on we have used here as preposition. It has been given. Now let's see the second one. That is, please help Mukesh. He is in bit of fix in over what to do for Sunena's birthday. So in and over these are the preposition of place position. Place position or time. So it is here used indicate position. In which position? In a bit of fix over for to do. Kya karna? That is. Now third one, junk food doesn't agree. Junk food doesn't agree with me. So with means which by something is done. That is, which means manner in which something is done, or indicate that someone is the company of someone else. But here junk food doesn't agree with me because the examples options are given that to, without, on, with. So in comparison of these मेरे साथ a company मेरे साथ मैच नहीं करते, एग्री नहीं होता है. So that is with. And I haven't met Jasmith, but I have heard a lot about her, of her, with her, for her. So what is befitting for the meaning of the sentence? That is about. And a sentence, when it is called a sentence, when it makes a meaning, group of words that makes a meaning, that is sentence. Otherwise cannot be called a sentence. It can be called phrase. Phrase is also meaning, but in a proper structure the words are placed according to the rule that is called sentence, and it has meaning. Now chief guest should reach venue by 5 o'clock. Pehle, by 5 o'clock. So indicates by, that is, but here by is, it shows time. It shows time. And here not by means द्वारा, लेकिन उसके पहले the chief guest should reach the venue. तो यहाँ पे प्लेस टाइम बता रहा है कि 7 बजे से पहले वहाँ पे पहुँच जाना है. बाय, नॉट बाय ट्रेन, बाय बस, दैट इज नॉट. इट इज द नॉट इंडिकेट्स मीन्स बाय विच समथिंग इज डन. इट यहाँ पे वो यूज नहीं हुआ कि इसके द्वारा कुछ किया जा रहा है, मतलब मेरे द्वारा आम खाया जाता है, नॉट दैट वन, बट बिफोर टाइम, दैट इज बाय 7 o'clock. Now the design on this craft reminds me of a bag I used to own. The design of this craft reminds me of a bag used to own. So here of, it is preposition, it is used before bag. So there are the many uses of also. So it indicates direction or from where it is. So it is made up of, by which it is made, reminds me of a bag I used to own. This design reminds me of Noni Nuna, that is. The design on this craft reminds me of bag I used to own. Now there was a massive traffic jam because of or on account of, की वजह से, in account of, on account of the daily, in spite of no, from no, by no, on account of, की वजह से. So try to understand the sentence and then fill the prepositions. This time I ordered coffee instead of my regular tea at the coffee shop. So after, instead, in spite and in addition to. In addition to उसके अलावा, in spite फिर भी, after उसके बाद, लेकिन instead of के बदले मैं हर बार टी मंगवाता हूँ, लेकिन इस बार this time I order coffee. मैं जब भी आता हूँ तब मैं टी मंगवाता हूँ, इस बार मैंने कॉफ़ी मंगवाई है. So these are the preposition. Exercise number B. Now let's see. Now correct the prepositions in the sentence. He often helps people trouble, on trouble or in trouble. In trouble. वो ट्रबल में, ट्रबल के ऊपर नहीं, तो ये मीनिंग देख के हमें आंसर देने हैं. रितु वॉज अ हैप्पी पर्सन ऑफ या विथ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. विथ, यहाँ पे हमें विथ यूज करना होगा कि उससे, उसके अंदर ये है, अकंपनी है. नाउ माई कजिन इज रेंटिंग अ फ्लैट in the top or on the top floor of the building where I live. So on place, it shows place. Now fourth one, I love looking out the coconut trees down the river. I love looking at मतलब place पे. Why looking at me? Place. And that's why. And looking out, it's wrong. Looking at. Don't look out me. No, that's incorrect. Don't look at me. That is correct sentence. The police were keeping a close watch about the man or on man. Place. उसके ऊपर, जो thief है उसके ऊपर close eye रख रही है, watch रख रही है. So the police were keeping a close watch on the man, the blue shirt, because they have doubt on the person. Saroz is reading novel from a brave girl, or about, not from, about, उसके बारे में. Now I love the color of building within the street. So on the street, across the street. On the place of it, we can use on or across. Now last exercise of the chapter. Complete these sentences with the correct preposition from the box. Box is not seen, but cross, in, on, at, by, between, past, around, above, after, among are there. But keeping in mind the meaning of the sentence, we will fill. Many large passengers boats travel across the Hooghly River, across, from one bank to another bank, across. Our house is easy to find. It's between school and the post office. Here we have used between because there are two things, two places, and it is between two. If there are more than two, then we can use among. Means Gopal sir is between two students, Radha and Raman. So among two, between two. If there are crowd, there are more than two, then Gopal sir is among the students. तो दो से ज़्यादा, दो है तो बिटवीन, अगर दो से ज़्यादा है तो वहाँ पे अमोंग लगाते हैं. ड्यूरिंग द कैंपिंग ट्रिप वी सैट अराउंड द फायर्स एंड सैंग ऑल मेलोडीज. तो यहाँ पे देखो बेटा, ये जब आप वीडियो देखो, मैं अभी बता दूँ तो बुक खुली रख के देखना उसमें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो बॉक्स में जो प्रीपोजिशन है वो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, इसलिए. तो फिर से, सो आवर हाउस इज इजी टू फाइंड बिकॉज इट इज़ बिटवीन स्कूल एंड पोस्ट ऑफिस. अगर बिटवीन है वो दो चीज़ और दो वस्तु के बीच में, अगर दो कोई चीज़ तो उसकी तो हम बिटवीन, और एक से ज़्यादा है तो, दो से ज़्यादा है तो अमोंग. So during the camping trip, we sat around the campfire and sang old melodies. तो around, circle, आजू बाजू में. So that is around. I like being among happy and motivated people because there are more than two. Among, उसके बीच में, उसके साथ, among. I like, उसके साथ, मतलब हैप्पी लोगों, मोटिवेटेड लोगों के साथ रहने में अच्छा लगता है. मतलब मोर देन टू, दैट्स वाई. इफ देर आर टू देन बिटवीन, बट हियर दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. अमोंग एंड बिटवीन, दैट इज डिफरेंस. इफ देर आर टू देन बिटवीन, इफ देर आर मोर देन टू देन इट इज अमोंग. Muzda lives alone in house where place by the lake. Here by the lake means not by, the action is done, but it shows place by the lake. It shows by the time, it shows time, but here by the lake, बाजू में, it shows place, it shows place by the lake. So कहाँ रहती है? लेक के बाजू में. प्लेस बताया यहाँ पे, बाय प्रीपोजिशन ने प्लेस, इन ने भी प्लेस बताया. तो बाय के भी मल्टीपर्पज है, मल्टी फंक्शन है. यू मस्ट कम स्कूल बाय 10 o'clock, समय से पहले, बाय. I wrote the letter. The letter was written by me. By, that is done. Something is done by that. At that time we use by. Something is done by someone. That time we use by. Now, beautiful painting hangs above. अगर टच है तो on, ऊपर से जा रहा है तो over, और कहीं पे हमने लटकाया है, that is above my bed at home. So the beautiful painting hangs on the wall we have kept above and above my bed at home, and it is hovering something then over. If it is I have kept touched to my head then on, that is. And now that's why the beautiful paintings hangs above my bed at home, placed at wall. It is kept at wall. Raj saw his mother off at the airport, place at 5 o'clock time at the airport this morning. So means it at is used here in order to show place, not time. I will meet you at 5 o'clock. That's place. That's time. But here I will see you at your home, place. Rajat saw his mother off at the airport this morning at place. Rajat saw his mother off at the airport this morning means at, it suggests place. Rajat saw his mother off at the airport this morning. Then Tara cut the apple into slices, put it on a plate. Where? On plate. Place, not time. I will meet you on Monday time, but it is on plate. It's place. Now V comes after U in the alphabet. After V comes after. So it is also V, जो V है U के बाद आता है. That's why it's very easy. We can, after is preposition used here. And the 10th one, the library is a mile past, the first signal. So the library is a mile past the first signal. So this was all from preposition, very small and easy chapter, and try to use yourselves preposition and on which place it can be used. You can see yourselves, easy, and you have been learning for many years. So try yourselves and try to learn. Thank you very much.